Business Drive in Sacramento. Here in the front, we're going to have a walkway installed that's going to lead right where those white rocks are, move a boulder or two, and straight up to this street. We're going to add in Medic's sign as well as our CAS accreditation and the ACE accreditation signs. And it's going to be shining bright to the street here. We're going to match our colors the same that we see on 506 Couch Street. We're going to have that yellow with a nice brushed silver trimming, and then blue highlights here on the back of the sign, column, and 2 metal doors at the end. We have several trees on the property, including 1 pine tree at our far corner. We have lots of shrubbery and lots of parking for our crews.
And as you can see, a lot of the demo's been done in here. The entire ceiling's been taken out. All the floor covering's gone. They've been doing a good job of the demo. More demo. This will be where the crew checks in this area here. There'll be some tables for them there. More offices out here. If you want to come out here, there's conference rooms. This is an IT room. This will be the IT room. Offices. This is a small conference room right here. This is our copy room. Pretty much going to remain intact with some different colored carpet and different trim color, but pretty much the same. You can see here this ceiling has been almost completely gutted in here. Jimmy has a thought of leaving this as an industrial ceiling. That would actually look really cool in here as your entry. Come in here and you have a grand entry with the steel duct, spiral ducts in the ceiling. So that would look pretty cool. I mowed quite a bit of this area back in here. There will be 2 offices here. One will be my office, one will be Jimmy and the family's office over here. Helen will have an office right in here. They've done a lot of work in here. So everywhere where you see a cutout in the carpet was a wall. And there's a lot of these all over the place. So they've removed a lot of walls. Everything else is pretty much going to stay intact where it is, and then there will be more walls built in here. The carpet still has to come up because there's going to be different floor coverings in here. But for the most part, the ceiling that is gone is all that's going to be gone. They'll be putting new ceiling tiles up, new insulation up in the existing T-bar ceiling. Give everything a clean, fresh look. This first office will be our supervisor's office. Which will pretty much remain intact. There will be a sliding door right here on this wall, and that will go into the logistics room. But the ceiling will probably remain the same, except again, the ceiling tiles will come out. We'll put new ceiling tiles in so everything's clean and white. Make sure there's no roof leaks or anything like that. And coming into here will be our logistics. So this metal stud wall right here is going to go away, and this will be just one big logistics room right here. So we'll have a logistics supervisor who oversees our SSTs. Crews will come in here and get some of the supplies they need that aren't in the chain link lockup at the end of the building. So this will be, the flow to get in and out of here will be amazing. Very little wasted time. So these are the floors that are coming up right now. And speaking to one of the contractor's workmen today, they have found that it's extremely difficult to pull up this carpet because it has a pad underneath it that's glued down really well. Now, purely by chance, we found a leak in the building, and where the carpet was wet, it actually came up fairly easily. So I think what they're going to end up doing is putting some water on this carpet, letting it sit a bit, and then pull it up. But all this purple carpet is all coming up, and there will be more of a high traffic type floor covering in here, a commercial grade high traffic flooring.
Hi, I'm Chris Silva with North State Electric. We've been working pretty hard over the last few weeks. So far what we've gotten done is we've gotten all these lights raised up. We've gotten the lights inside demoed, and we've begun roughing in and making up boxes in preparation for installing the lights. All the tie wires for suspending the lights have been hung for the ones that we are able to do thus far. Right now we're waiting on demo to complete what they need to do, and the T-bar guys to go ahead and install their grids, so then we can go ahead and rough in and finish what we need to finish. And that's pretty much where we're at right now.